Hello, bankers. So, very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, welcome to JV Savvy Prep. So, guys, from this particular session onwards, we are going to start with our new module, which is module B about the economic things. Okay? And we are going to start with very first unit. Okay. So, if you talk about the module B, it is all about economic concepts related to banking. And again, the second most important unit from your IN IFS subject, right? The first one is module D, then module B, then module A and module C. Okay, this is if you see the or if you analyze the papers of last 2-3 years, like from 2023 onwards, they have added this particular one. Okay, so module D, because we have 17 units, so 35 to 40 marks question will be based on that one. Okay. Then the second most important unit is module B, and all the units of this particular modules are important, right? So unit 12, fundamental of economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, and type of economies. Unit 13, supply and demand. Unit 14, money supply and inflation. 15, theories of interest. Business cycle 16. 17, monetary policy and fiscal policy. 18, system of national account and GDP concept, basically national income. And 19 is union budget. Okay? So all these for all these unit, it will be required a study of 1 hour. Again, apart from this first one is like kind of a basic introduction to the economics. तो जैसे आपका what is economics, the different definitions. I hope you guys are aware about like the father of economics, Adam Smith. Okay. Then we have Marshall, we have the other one also. Okay. So we have a complete list. So whichever content is given in your book, that we will have a kind of 100% coverage, so you can achieve a good marks from this particular one. Okay. Then we have micro and macroeconomics and type of economies, which include majorly three categories: capitalistic, socialistic, and mixed. Okay. That means market economy, capitalistic, and then socialistic is command economy, and mixed economy, which is a kind of a blend of capitalistic and socialistic, right? Traditionally, there is one another type, sometime you'll see, that is a traditional economies. Okay. So where people were limited to some areas and all. Okay. The barter system and barter system was part of that particular one. All right. So very important module. So you have to very focus toward the explanation part. ठीक है. तो देखो ऑब्जेक्टिव तो हम लोग यहाँ पे कर रहे होते हैं, बट एक्सप्लेनेशंस को आपको बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी करना है. एंड आई हैव सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम विद पीडीएफ्स. So see guys, what I'm facing from last few days कि like Telegram में क्या होता है कि like if you join that particular one, so you won't be able to see the previous one. ठीक है, previous जो भी आपके PDF अपलोड हुए. So for that sake, what I have done, ठीक है, if you are part of the content or that course Manjil batch, ठीक है, so you'll get one additional there is one folder called important PDF JIB May 2025. If you are not part of that particular one, the portion is there is one folder, sorry, in your free section. You can if you'll enter to the free section, तो दो फोल्डर आपको मिलेंगे. वन इज फॉर JIB, another one is for CIB. ठीक है, so you can access from this one. One thing I also want to clear, see, I never charge anything for my videos and others. There is a team for 4-5 members. There are few people who are generally, they are just doing like they are just poking or something. I don't know why they are doing this particular things, but this is my things, guys. My clarification about that particular one. Okay. So if you are comfortable with the video things and all now, so these all videos are available for free of cost, and it will remain free of cost, right? So there is a team. I have 5 people, including editors. So they generally do like editing or the content creation and this, and I have to pay them from my pocket. I'm paying from last 1 years. If someone needs something like kind of call proof and all, I don't know, like I do not want to enter in this kind of discussion and all, but I'm facing some sort of kind of challenges, and it hurts sometimes. Okay. So for that one, that is if you, I'm never saying ki, I never said anyone ki if you are not comfortable with, like if you are only comfortable with videos, just watch these particular videos. I have done compilation and have uploaded those particular one कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा उनको आसानी से पढ़ लें, ठीक है, इस तरीके से. तो थोड़ा सा प्लीज, दिस इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. सी गाइस, आई एम वर्किंग विद सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट पर्टिकुलर वन, राइट, एंड दे आर गिविंग मी दिस चांस टू सर्व द पीपल्स. सो प्लीज, दिस इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. लाइक अगर आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, प्लीज डिमोरलाइज मत कीजिएगा, ठीक है. सो and I can make sure I'm self certified, yeah. I have scored very well. If you want to check my score, I have like in this particular subject I have scored 75. That time my intention was not ki I'll teach this particular one, but what I have learned from last few years, I just want to deliver that particular one, okay. So you can, if you have little bit doubtful anything, just do ping me on Telegram. I'll share my scorecard and everything, okay. But do not like deviate in some other direction, okay. So the first unit from your module B is fundamentals of economics, microeconomics, this. So it include economics and introduction, so basically what is economics and all. Then we have microeconomics and macroeconomics, fundamental question in economic organizations, like what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. These are the three fundamental questions. Okay. Then we have market economy, command economy, and mixed economy. Okay. Then we have the summary as well as the practice. I'm going to cover 100% of this particular one, and I can give you in written. If you'll go in your examination, you'll see similar set of question or similar pattern of question in your upcoming examination. All right. Chalo. So without any further delay, we will start our today's discussion with very first question. Which of the following statement about economics are correct? This is a very simple question. I hope everybody will be able to answer this one. Okay. So the term economy is derived from Greek word that is oikonomia. So oikonomia means, it is basically, oikio is something called household and nomia is something known as management. Okay? So it is all about household management. Okay? So which originally meant for household management. So statement one is 100% true. Adam Smith, who is generally known as father of economics or modern economics, and he wrote a book वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन, ठीक है. सो एडम स्मिथ के द्वारा एक किताब लिखी गई थी जिसका नाम था वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन. तो वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन जहां से मॉडर्न इकोनॉमिक्स का आपका जन्म होता है, ठीक है. एंड सो डेफिनेशन इज नोन एज, नो, दिस इज वेलफेयर इज गिवन बाय, आपका इकोनॉमिक्स है जो वेलफेयर इज गिवन बाय मार्शल, ठीक है, नॉट आपका एडम स्मिथ. एडम स्मिथ डेफिनेशन वाज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू वेल्थ. इकोनॉमिक्स इज अबाउट वेल्थ एंड वेलफेयर डेफिनेशन एज फोकस ऑन ह्यूमन बींग्स, इट इज आपका given by the Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall emphasizes that economics is not just about wealth, it is also about human welfare. So this is 100% true. So 1 in 3, that means option B will be right answer for this one. I'll show you a brief summary of all the three. There is another definition called scarcity. So we'll come to that particular one also. So statement 2 was incorrect. Adam Smith definition is known as wealth definition, not welfare, and welfare is generally given by the Alfred Marshall, right? So economics deal with the production, consumption, and distribution of goods and services, focusing on efficient allocation of resources to meet societal needs. As globalization increase, the study of economics become even more crucial. The term economy, which originate from Greek word that is known as oikonomia, so which means home, okio means which the eventual meaning is the household management, and where we can say it is a combination of home and management or household management. Economics is defined as the science of human behaviors in relation to a scarce resources and their alternative uses. So like it applies on you also or me also. ठीक है. So कैसे हम लोग, हमारे पास जो limited resources हैं, how we are using those particular resources in best way. So जिससे हम मतलब we can have maximum satisfaction from the limited resources. So that is the one. ठीक है. Scarcity arise when resources are insufficient to fulfill all human wants, leading to the need for decision making and trade off. Like sometimes we do na, let's say you want to purchase a mobile phone and you have a budget of 50,000. Okay? You have a limited budget. Okay? Like our income is limited, so we have to manage within that limited income, right? So uske according you'll have alternates. You'll go for the best alternate, which will give you the maximum satisfaction. All right. So the core of economics lies recognizing scarcity and finding way to optimize resource utilization, making it essential for societal organization and progress itself, right? So this is a basic introduction of your economics. Now, what I have initiated with this module, ki I'll come up with this kind of summary and all, and this will be aligned with your book also, ठीक है? सो जो आपको एग्जामिनेशन का जो मतलब आई वांट कि लाइक दिस इज माय मतलब पूरा एकदम एफर्ट डालूंगा कि आपका पेपर 1 के अंदर यू स्कोर 65 प्लस. एक बार वो हो गया ना, इन पेपर 2 you'll have that confidence और वो 7 दिनों में ना you'll be like you'll be on fire. ठीक है. सो आपको बस अपना जोश वैसे ही बना करके रखना है. Which of the following statement regarding Robbins हाँ Robbins is something related to scarcity. ठीक है. So Robbins' definition, economics are correct. So economic studies human behavior. Sorry. Robbins was again, he generally gave this particular one. So economic studies human behaviors as a relationship between unlimited wants and limited resources that have alternative uses. A resource is, first one is true. A resource is considered scarce only when its supply is low regardless of demand. ठीक है? No, it should be reversed. ठीक है? When demand is higher than the supply, then it is generally known as scarce. ठीक है? Not this one. कि supply is low, this one. So we generally follow that reverse theory in this particular case. ठीक है? Economics is also known as the science of choices. A science of choice, because individual must divide how to allocate their limited resources among the various needs. So again 1 and 3, that means option B will be right answer for this one. Okay? So a resource is only considered scarce when its demand exceeds supply. Okay? So when its demand exceeds supply, if supply is low but there is no demand, it not considered as economic. It is not considered scarce in economics terms. ठीक है? So please do remember this particular one. ठीक है? होने को आपको लगेगा कि like this is the same things which we are saying, but there is a probability like we have high demands, low supply, that is scarcity, but there is low supply, maybe there is low demand for that particular one, so that is not called scarce in the term of, or like while you study the economics. Okay, now we'll come to this one. Okay. So Alfred, first one is Adam Smith, father of modern economics, Wealth of Nation. Okay. And that is, he is generally known as, for his definition or his aspect toward the economics is generally known as wealth. Then we have Marshall. Okay. So Marshall's studies around the welfare. And the third one we have Robbins. His definition was around the scarcity, right? So this is the summary of all these three major theorists or economists, basically, okay, and which are given in your book itself. Okay. Only three economist definition and all that is given in their book, in your book. So Adam Smith definition, wealth definition. Okay. Economic is study of wealth, focusing on how to produce and consume, criticized for being too materialistic as it emphasizes wealth over the human welfare. Okay. Then Marshall sir came, he come up with the welfare things, which was the criticism for the Adam Smith definition. Economics is a study of men in ordinary business of life. Wealth is mean to human welfare and well-beings. So it emphasizes both on wealth as well as human life. Okay. Then third one is Robbins definition. So economic is a science of human behaviors, focusing on the relationship between unlimited wants and scarce resources with alternative uses, shift focus from wealth and welfare to decision making and resource allocation. So which is generally the idea of the modern management. Okay, so this is the kind of things. These are the three different thoughts. एंड बहुत बार आपको इनकी पेयरिंग में आपका पूछा गया है, ठीक है, कि लाइक एडम स्मिथ वेल्थ डेफिनेशन और दिस और आपको मैच करने के लिए दे सकते हैं या अदर्स, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, ठीक है। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Which of the following statement about microeconomics and macroeconomics are correct? ठीक है, so microeconomics which generally deal with individual, ठीक है, how individual in firm they generally take their decisions, ठीक है. Now it is economics is about uses or utilization of or max utilization of scarce resources. So how individual make decision, that comes under this. That means it will include topic like demand and supply and choices and all these things. Macroeconomics, it has a broader scope which include topic like national income, GDP, or inflation or recession. So these are the, like, they have a broader, like, basically it is kind of a things which has, like, things which has a broader impact, right? तो वो सब आपको मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में. So माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स स्टडीज the behavior of individual consumer and firm in decision making, how individual make decision when they purchase something or when they spend something, how firm make decision. So like it is law of demand, that is law of supply, ठीक है. So वो कहीं ना कहीं उनका uses and all, ठीक है. The another one is macro. This is true. Macroeconomics emerged in its modern from after the publication of Keynes' journal theory of employment, interest and money in 1936. ठीक है. This is also true, ठीक है. So macroeconomics, basically we start talking about this particular one with the Keynes thought, ठीक है, Keynes journal theory of employment, interest and money, 1936. Macroeconomics focus on aggregate indicators. Microeconomics focus on aggregated indicators like GDP, inflation and unemployment. So this is wrong. Okay? This is wrong. This is the focus area of macroeconomics, not microeconomics. Okay? So this statement is wrong. Macroeconomics deal with overall performance of a national or regional economy. 100% true. Adam Smith, The Wealth of Nation, 1776, laid the foundation of microeconomics concept. This is also true. Okay? So 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, option D should be right answer for this particular one. Okay? So the only statement incorrect was 3, which is very easy. Okay? Macroeconomics, not microeconomics. Okay? So macroeconomics, which focus issues like GDP or national income or inflation or recession or any broader issue and all, okay, which has a global impact or national impact. Okay? It's a budget. These all are the issues of or even the monetary policy. They all comes under the macroeconomics terms. Okay? Microeconomics is something related to demand and supply, law of supply, how individual make choices, or how individual make decision and all. ठीक है. So वो छोटे छोटे, या how a firm make costing decision, so pricing decision, so that generally comes under the study of microeconomics. ठीक है. तो इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखते हैं. अब इसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाते हैं. ठीक है. So microeconomics focus on how household and firm make decision to allocate limited resources in a market where goods and services are bought and sold. It study how these decisions affect supply, demand and price, which in turn influence other economic choices. Microeconomics analyze the behavior of individual consumer and businesses to understand the decision making. So basically how individual or firms they are making decision about the different activities, that is a study that study that generally comes under the microeconomics. ठीक है. तो हम कोई भी चीज जैसे लाइक वी हैव स्केर्स रिसोर्सेज, ठीक है, तो हमारे पास वो जो लिमिटेड अमाउंट है उसको हम किस तरीके से खर्च कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो हम लोग डिसीजन मेकिंग करें उसमें किन किन चीजों का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. तो दैट इज जनरली कम्स अंडर द माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, सूक्ष्म अर्थशास्त्र जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. ठीक है. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स deal with the overall performance and structure of an economy or even the world economy. ठीक है. It study aggregated indicators like GDP, unemployment rate, inflation, interest rate. The modern form of macroeconomics emerged in 1936 when John मेनार्ड केन्स, ठीक है. सो कीन्स जिनके द्वारा आपका जनरल थ्योरी आपका लाया गया. So general theory of employment, interest and money, addressing economic fluctuations such as unemployment and inflation also. ठीक है. So this is the kind of summary for your micro versus macro economy. ठीक है. And believe me guys, this is more than sufficient. If you'll go, just do this homework, go through that particular book, एंड आप उसको अगर खुद से समराइज करना चाहोगे, यू इफ यू वांट टू पिक द बेस्ट पॉइंट, यू विल फाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फंडामेंटल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर द फंडामेंटल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स? मेजरली वी हैव थ्री प्रॉब्लम्स: व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस. ठीक है. क्या उत्पादन करना है, ठीक है, आपको कैसे करना है और किसके लिए करना है. दीज आर द थ्री core economic fundamental problems. ठीक है. So every society, regardless of its economic system, must address three fundamental economic problems: what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. ठीक है. So like whenever you let's say if you are as an entrepreneur, if you are want to launch some product, तो पहला आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? What to produce. ठीक है. क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है, what I should manufacture or what problem I should solve. ठीक है. Then another one is how to produce. What is the technical backgrounds, technological and the overall journey of that particular product building or service building. Whom to produce. Who will be my target customers. ठीक है. This like किन क्राउड का मैं अपना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाला. ठीक है. Who is going to use that particular product and services. So these are the core fundamental problems which we generally like, which we have to analyze first. ठीक है. So option one is correct. The question of what to produce involve deciding the type and quantities of the goods and services, including balance between consumption and investment. Again, so this what to produce, आपका deciding true. ठीक है. How to produce focus only on selecting the most advanced technology for production. See, this question is partially correct. ठीक है. अब देखो यहाँ पे ना, this is not the only factor. ठीक है. We do go for or we generally suggest advanced technology to cut down our cost and all. ठीक है. But this is not the only solutions. ठीक है. So this make this statement wrong. For whom to produce address income distribution and whether resources are allocated equitably among the different group in society. This is also true. Again, the three economic problem are only relevant in capitalistic economy and not in centrally planned economy. No. Okay, this is not this one. Okay. So these three problems are the problem for all type of economies, not only about the capitalistic things and all. Okay. So this is also wrong. So what we have to find out correct statement 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 means option C will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. तो आपका statement 3 was incorrect. How to produce include not only technology choices but also deciding who will perform production and what resources will be used. Fifth one is the economic problems exist in all economic system, not just in आपका capitalistic or any specific form of economies itself, right? चलो. So now we will discuss this particular one also in detail. ठीक है. So fundamental question in economic organization. ठीक है. So every society, regardless of its economic system, must address three fundamental economic problem. The very first one is what to produce. So societies must decide which good and services to produce and what quantities. Choices must be made between producing consumer goods and investment goods to ensure future production also. The second one is how to produce. Decision must be made about the production method, including the use of resources and technology. Key question include whether production is labor intensive or automated, and whether energy is sourced from oil, coal or renewable energy and all. The third problem is for whom to produce. This concern income distribution and who benefit from economic activity. Societies must determine if wealth is distributed equitably, who earn high income, whether provision are made for the poorer or not. ठीक है, so that generally comes under this particular one. ठीक है, so please go through these particular notes or this kind of explanationary notes or the detailed solution and all. ठीक है, believe me guys, they are definitely going to help you out in your upcoming examination. ठीक है, तो एक बार अच्छे से देख लेना है. नेक्स्ट वन आपका, which of the following statement correctly describe different type of economic system? This is very easy question. ठीक है, so this is very easy question. ठीक है, so different type of economic system means the three type of major economies. आपका capitalistic और market economy, then we have socialistic or command economy, and third one is mixed economy. So earlier mid 20s, before that, again, so especially this mixed economy structure which generally arise post second world war. ठीक है, तो उससे पहले आपका दो टाइप की इकोनॉमीज होती थी मोस्टली. आपका वन इज मार्केट, अनदर वन इज कमांड. सो कमांड इकोनॉमी वेयर थिंग्स आर डिसाइडेड बाय दी और कंट्रोल बाय दी गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, जैसे आपका आप यू कैन हैव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ चाइना. ठीक है, तो जहां पे क्या प्रोड्यूस करना, व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस, दीज ऑल थ्री इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स आर आंसर्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, केंद्र सरकार आपका जो आपका गवर्नमेंट है उस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री की, दे यूज टू डिसाइड. जैसे पहले आपका यूएसएसआर होता था. ठीक है, सोवियत संघ रूस जिसको हम लोग बोलते थे. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ योर कमांड इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, सो गवर्नमेंट विल डिसाइड व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस. ठीक है, सो सब कुछ कंट्रोल आपका गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में. सेकंड इज मार्केट इकोनॉमी वेयर पीपल और इंडिविजुअल एंड बिजनेस हाउसेस दे यूज टू डिसाइड what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. ठीक है, दो तीन क्वेश्चन है इकोनॉमिक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन, दे गेट आंसर्ड बाय द मार्केट. मार्केट मींस आपका दैट इज डिमांड इन सप्लाई. ठीक है, सो जिस चीज की डिमांड होगी उसको प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. ठीक है, एंड डिमांड इन सप्लाई, like demand will be made by the consumers. ठीक है, and accordingly suppliers will sell this. ठीक है, and they'll decide the pricing and everything. ठीक है, थर्ड टाइप इज लाइक सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, जिससे मैंने आपको एक रेफरेंस दिया. देन we come up with a new type of economy, और आज की डेट में maximum economies they fall under the category of mixed economy. The biggest example is our economy. ठीक है, so जिन्होंने क्या किया, we pick something from capitalistic, something from market, तो दोनों के merits को मिला करके we created one new economy that is known as mixed economy. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल भी है एंड वी हैव लिबरलाइजेशन, जो आपके प्राइवेट पार्टीज हैं उनको भी, एंड कंज्यूमर्स की भी चीजों को आपका सुना जाता है. काइंड ऑफ अ परफेक्ट ब्लेंड बिटवीन कैपिटल एंड आपका मार्केट इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, सो इन मार्केट इकोनॉमी इंडिविजुअल एंड प्राइवेट फर्म्स मेक द मेजर इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन with a minimal government interface, like US है, आपका इंग्लैंड है. So these all are market economies. ठीक है, second one, command economy is characterized by a government ownership of resources and centralized decision making. This is also true. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका आप you can take an example of North Korea, China, या आपका the earlier USSR, right? A mixed economy incorporate elements of both market and command economies, balancing private enterprises with government interventions. True, तो तीनों सही है. ठीक है, the term laissez-faire refer to command economy. No, this is refer to market economy. ठीक है, ये किससे संबंध में है आपका, where we have extreme market economy. ठीक है, जहां पे extreme market economy हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सब कुछ आपका मार्केट, गवर्नमेंट का इंटरवेंशन इज लीस्ट आपका. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द टर्म laissez-faire. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्री रेन. ठीक है, सो ये जो आपका टर्म है, it is something related to market economy where the government control all the economies. No, this is the wrong one. ठीक है, तो fourth one is wrong. India operate as a mixed economy where the public, private and joint sector coexist and complement each other's 100% true. So true statement 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. So A only will be right answer for this particular question. Understood guys? तो क्या होगा आपका करेक्ट आंसर? फोर्थ वन वाज इनकरेक्ट. laissez-faire और फ्री रेन रेफर टू अ मार्केट इकोनॉमी विद नो गवर्नमेंट इंटरफेरेंस. ठीक है, तो जहां पे गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस इज लीस्ट, not in command economy. तो command economy is basically or majorly driven by the government itself. ठीक है, तो mixed economy आपका जो आता है that comes under this league. ठीक है, तो इसने क्या किया, यहाँ के कुछ फीचर उठाए और यहाँ के कुछ फीचर्स आपके उठाए. ठीक है, so if you talk about the market economy, so owned by private sectors maximum. ठीक है, freedom to start business or to exit, start and exit. ठीक है, सप्लाई एंड डिमांड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे दिस इज द कोर फंडामेंटल इज आपका मार्केट फैक्टर्स, दैट मींस डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. ठीक है, दे विल डिसाइड द प्राइसेस. ठीक है, इन केस ऑफ कमांड इकोनॉमी ओन्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन एंड प्राइस कंट्रोल. प्राइस कंट्रोल आपका किसके द्वारा, गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा. सो व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom to produce. In case of command economy driven by government, in case of market economy, these are generally driven by or solved by your आपका demand and supply factors. ठीक है, but in case of mixed economy we have combination from the both. ठीक है, दोनों तरफ से आपको यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं क्या मिलेंगे आपका इन दोनों के बीच में, मतलब गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल भी होगा, इंटरवेंशन भी होगा जैसे इंडिया में होता है, और आपका जो कंपनीज है उनका भी होगा. ठीक है, चलो एक बार और फिर से पढ़िए इसको. मार्केट इकोनॉमी विच इज नोन एज कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, मार्केट इकोनॉमी विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, पूंजीवादी अर्थव्यवस्था. सो इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन आर मेड बाय इंडिविजुअल इन प्राइवेट फर्म through a market. Economic decision means those questions, fundamental question of economies are solved by this. ठीक है, market factors means demand and supply. Price, profit and incentives determine production and consumption. Minimal government interventions. आपका लजीज फेयर भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, allow businesses to operate freely. The another one is command economy, socialistic, समाजवादी अर्थव्यवस्था. ठीक है, the government control production and distribution. It own most resources and industries, employ workers and direct economic activity. Historically Soviet Union operate under the this particular system, but जब USSR खत्म हुआ 1979 के अंदर, ये भी आपका खत्म हो गया. ठीक है, आज के डेट में कोई भी इकोनॉमी आपको कोर तरीके से उनके कोर फंडामेंटल्स आपको यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेंगे, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन एरा ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे और इवन द मार्केट थिंग्स एंड ऑल, तो ये आपका यूएस इंग्लैंड सब इसमें मिलेंगे. आपका यहाँ पे पहले होता था यूएसएसआर. ठीक है, अभी एग्जैक्ट कोर एग्जाम्पल नहीं मिलेगा इसका. ठीक है, हाँ, बट कुछ कंट्रीज हैं जैसे चाइना है, आपका नॉर्थ कोरिया है, अभी भी वहां पे आपका मैक्सिमम जो कंट्रोल है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा. मिक्स इकोनॉमी, मोस्ट मॉडर्न इकोनॉमिक blend elements of both market and command. Government regulate market, provide public goods and services, and control pollutions while allowing market mechanism to function. India is and most nations today operate in the mixed economy itself. Understood guys? अगर अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया है, ठीक है, so you have this one. ठीक है, so market, कमांड एंड मिक्स इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, सो ट्रेडिशनल वन, जैसे आपका ट्रेडिशनल, मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ये चीज बोला था. ठीक है, सो व्हाट यूज्ड टू, अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल की बात करें तो वहां पे क्या होता था, लाइक एक लिमिटेड एरिया तक हम लोग थे. ठीक है, सो जैसे इंडिया के अंदर ही आपका बहुत सारे अलग अलग एरियाज में, तो व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस फॉर द कंजम्पशन, नॉट फॉर द सेल. ठीक है, हम कोई भी चीज प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे तो हम क्या करते थे, कंजम्पशन के लिए उसको. ठीक है, और like we used to have barter system. Let's say I'm a farmer, तो मैंने आपका फार्मिंग में कुछ खेती आपका करा, और आप यू आर अ बैंकर और एनी अदर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, टीचर एंड ऑल, तो आपने मुझे पढ़ाया. सो वी एक्सचेंज गुड्स टू गुड्स, बार्टर सिस्टम. देन बार्टर सिस्टम आया, ये सारी चीजें आपका दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन आर बेस्ड ऑन कस्टम, ट्रेडिशन एंड बिलीफ, लिटिल टू नो स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर. Barter system is common. ठीक है, so goods to goods exchange. Resources are allocated based on the need of community. Limited economic growth and innovation. Market and these three economies which we have already discussed. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपका ऐसे कुछ आपका वो पॉइंटर्स नहीं है. ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन आर मेड बाय इंडिविजुअल एंड बिजनेसेस. स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर. प्राइस डिटरमाइंड बाय डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. प्राइवेट पार्टी private property right are protected. ठीक है, and limited government interventions. In case of command, economic decisions are made by government. Little and no private property rights. ठीक है, then we have little to no consumption. ठीक है, then we have little limited consumer choices. we have limited innovation in economic growth. Then came mixed economy. Economic decisions are made by both government and individual businesses. Private property rights are protected. Government regulates certain industries. Market resources determine prices and allocation of resources. Some level of government intervention to address market failures and promote social welfares. All right. So I hope now this is clear. Now we'll solve back to back 2-3 questions. Then we will conclude. ठीक है? Summary पे आएंगे. With the characteristics which both private and operating in a free market and government providing certain goods and services is known as mixed economy. ठीक है? तो ये किसका फीचर था आपका mixed economy का. ठीक है? A mixed economy is characterized by the context of public and private क्या है हाँ public sector and private sector. The economic system has been prevalent in many countries since आपका 20th सेंचुरी, आपका मिड 20th सेंचुरी. ठीक है. सो ये पहला ऑप्शन सही है आपका. ठीक है. सो पब्लिक सेक्टर प्राइवेट सेक्टर का ब्लंट आपको मिलेगा. मतलब पब्लिक मीन्स कमांड और आपका प्राइवेट मीन्स आपका मार्केट इकोनॉमी. देन आप मिड 20th वाज द टाइम जब ये आपका काफी ज्यादा निकल के आएगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन. सो दिस इज द फाइनल एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट योर मार्केट इकोनॉमी एज वेल एज your आपका command economy and your mixed economy. ठीक है. And traditional economy. So oldest economic system was traditional. ठीक है. Occupation usually stay in the family. ठीक है. Farmers, fishermen, then we have blacksmiths. So families consume the food that they produce. ठीक है. और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपका communities and tribal तक आपका जाता था. ठीक है. Innovation and economic progress is typically low. Command economy, then we have centralized structure. ठीक है. Government ruling class control the economy. ठीक है. So आपका जैसे they own resources and business. The government decide what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. Market economy, आपका decentralized structure. Market forces determine price level or solve those particular question. Contain element of all these particular one. ठीक है. जैसा आपका इंडिया है. ठीक है. So underground आपका sometime it is also part. Buyer and seller engage in transaction without having the approval of the governments and all. ठीक है. So that is the one. So now a quick summary. ठीक है. So फिर आपका question practice कर लेंगे book के. Economics is a science that deal with production, allocation, usage of goods and services. Economics is a science which study human behaviors as a relationship between end and scare means which have an alternative uses. Microeconomics is concerned with the behavior of individual entities such as market, firm, and household. Macroeconomics is about economy as a whole. ठीक है. So micro, macro. ठीक है. Every society must answer three fundamental question: what to produce, how to produce, and whom to produce. ठीक है. What kind of and quantities are produced among the wide range of all possible goods and services? How the resources used producing goods and whom the goods produced. ठीक है. Market economy is the one of the individual and private firms make the major decision. ठीक है. Command economy, government address the major economic questions. ठीक है. No complementary society or nation fall completely into either these popular extreme and popular and extreme categories. Rather all societies has the mixed economy. ठीक है. So आज के डेट में जो चलता है. ठीक है. Now few questions. Actually there were 10 questions. ठीक है. तो जल्दी से इनको भी solve कर लेते हैं. But you will not get that kind of a question. यही क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टेटमेंट में मिलेंगे. ठीक है. जो हमने आपका प्रैक्टिस किया एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन. So Adam Smith is define economics as wealth of science. ठीक है. Study of wealth. ठीक है. So study of wealth. Macroeconomics deal with macroeconomics. ठीक है. So deal with आपका gross domestic product, price indices and unemployment. That means all of the above. ठीक है. Who is considered as founder of the field of modern economics. ठीक है. So it is Adam Smith. 1776 in his book Wealth of Nations. ठीक है. Macroeconomics is concerned with the behavior of microeconomics. Microeconomics is with individual and firm. ठीक है. So individual entities आपका and refer to वॉन्ट्स, ठीक है, एंड का मतलब होता है वॉन्ट्स, ये हम पढ़ेंगे भी डिमांड सप्लाई अगले यूनिट में। अ मार्केट इकोनॉमी इज वन in which individual and private firm make the major decision about the production and resources. True. In government make, no, this is command economy, ठीक है, so A will be right answer. India is a mixed economy. Laissez-faire economy is related to market where we have least participation from the government. It is an extreme market economy, ठीक है. The extreme case of market not this, sorry. So extreme case of market economy, yes, option A will be right answer. Okay. Market economy is also known as command economy. Sorry, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? So market economy is also known as आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. सो मिक्स इकोनॉमी नहीं, कमांड आपका सोशलिस्टिक एंड दिस इज आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी? तो इसमें आपका इंग्लैंड आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी में आएगा, ठीक है. इंडिया मिक्स इकोनॉमी, चाइना मिक्स टू कमांड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. इनका जो दे हैव मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड द कमांड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. तो कमांड आप इनको डाल सकते हो, कमांड टू मिक्स, इट इज आपका मिक्स, इट इज आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक टू मिक्स आपका, ठीक है. इस तरीके से अगर आप इनके प्रोबेबिलिटीज को डालते हैं, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज इट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर very first unit of your module B, which is the basic introduction to economics. I hope you found this particular session interesting. So कैसे लगा जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. And if you have some questions, queries, so you can take screenshot and you can share with me. You can join this particular Telegram group for the communication from my side. And I have uploaded PDFs and I'll be keep uploading PDFs on our application at free notes section, ठीक है. And if you are part of Manjil batch, so you'll already get these particular one. I have already uploaded these particular one. All right, guys. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Now I'll see you tomorrow at same time with our unit number 13. Very important and interesting one. Law of demand and law of supply. Then we'll talk about the equilibrium also, right? And there was lots of question based on those particular topic. The entire module is very very important. I'll not make any kind of block in your mind कि ये आपका इंपॉर्टेंट, ये नहीं है. सब इंपॉर्टेंट है इस मॉड्यूल बी के सारे यूनिट्स आपका, एज बी डिड फॉर मॉड्यूल सी डी ऑल्सो आपका, ठीक है. तो कल मिलते हैं आपका और कल अपने डिस्कशन को कंटिन्यू रहेंगे. एंड प्लीज डू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस सेशन with your friends if you found this particular session useful. All right, so this is it. Bye bye, take care all, have a nice day. Thank you.